Okay, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted, help bring out the colours and the patterns in the stone. The rule's in millimetres. Okay, I've really priced the parcel on this piece. These are faces, but the opal goes back in the crevices. So basically you got one face there, second face here, and a third one round there. So these crevices may hold opal. So what you've got to do is cut the faces off first, and then with what you got you might find there's something else inside. But and the other piece has just basically been thrown in, cut into a shape, and just use the potch colour for a cheap pendant or stone of interest. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.